There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S.
Yo, hey, it's your girl A. What's up today? What's up, you guys? What's up, divas? What's up, divos? Look, I'm really happy right now, okay? Because it's the last video of the day. This number 4, okay? Uno, dos, tres, cuatros, okay? That's what this is right now. And girl, when I say that I'm ready to be done, I'm ready to be done. But you know what I also say? Save the best for last. Save the best for last. Because you already know it's gonna pass. I'm gonna work on that song, and in the midst of that, we're gonna check out how the wig come real quick, okay?
Well, you had me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you wrote up on me, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah. But something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're on completely different pages. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Boy, you take me on a trip. Always up and down and back and forth in merry-go-round. I just wanna get it right. But when you go left, I'm stuck here feeling left behind. Cause something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're going different directions. Let's go where we were, when no one gets hurt.
Y'all know what I mean when I say save the best for last. Girl, listen, this is my favorite wig company. Y'all know, listen, y'all know how I feel about them. Them and their sister company, Myfirstwigs, okay? Listen, where are you getting yaki texture hair at? Like, seriously, yaki texture wigs are not like that easy to be found, okay? Not every website has a yaki texture wig in stock. So, girl, when I tell you that they got them in stock and you could be slaved for days and some yaki texture hair, girl, y'all already know, like, this was the best. Like, this is the best of 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 all the wigs that I did today. Like, straight up. And even the third one I was in love with and I really like. But can't nobody take their place, all right? My first wig, this is a yaki textured wig, okay? You don't really got to do much of nothing. Swiss tinted lace, baby. Do it like it's your B-day, okay? It's already bleached and pre-plucked and clean hairline for you. Girl, there's nothing to be done. All I did was just press some of the edges. I didn't do anything else. I put a little piece of bump right here. I don't know if I really want to curl this wig. You know it's a middle part, girl. I got the hot comb right here in case I don't like that middle part, because y'all know my head is long, girlfriend. And with their wigs, you don't really need no baby hairs. But for me, I would need something to camouflage the longness up, okay? Comes with already sewn in the wig cap, elastic band, and these fit so comfortably. They don't have like the combs on the side. They just sewn in. You ready to go, okay? Adjustable straps in the nape, combs. Girl, all you gotta do is put her on. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put her on. We're gonna see how we look. We're gonna do it like it's our B-day, okay? Do it like it's your B-day, okay? Do it like you're grown and sexy, okay? Yes.
You don't mean nothing to me. E-boys like you every dinner. I don't believe what you preach. You're just a rookie beginner. Hang out with boys on the street. Like that will make you a winner. I don't believe what I see. Why you wearing gold? You're nothing more than silverware.
Y'all know I have to come bother you because look at the hairline, girl. Look at the hairline. No baby hairs or nothing, okay? Now, I got to put me some sideburn hairs. And the only part that I hairspray down on any Myfirstwig wig is my sideburn hair part. That's the only part. I really don't even need to spray that down. I could just put some gel on the sideburn hairs and hold it down. But because I don't use gel on my wigs, I'm going to just spray a little bit of my favorite 𝐏𝐫𝐞 Instant Freeze, honey. I done sprayed that like 3 times, 2 times. Let it get tacky. Brush down my wig, press down my wig right there. Only on the sideburn hairs, y'all. I do not need to do this throughout the whole unit. Myfirstwigs is a wig that you can put on as soon as you get it, like I did, okay? I didn't bleach it. I didn't pre-pluck it. I didn't even press the damn thing. I didn't have to flat iron it. I just pressed the edges a little bit, and that's all I did. Had a part and everything in there for me. But I do need my sideburn hairs, okay? You do not need to use any type of glue or hairspray with any type of Myfirstwig wig. But honey, I need my sideburn hairs. I told y'all I got a long head, and I got to take away from the long head. So I'm going to be using this right here, which is my Marc Anthony's curling foam for my sideburn hairs. As y'all see, I'm just, look, this is not going to adhere the wig. It's just going to make the hair stay down. But I also like to use it on my edges, baby. This make the edges lay down even flatter and make it melt, and it does not stick on to your skin, honey. This is not adhering it. This styling foam mousse is not going to do that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and put this elastic band on. And I'm going to just I'm going to just hot comb a little bit in the front area. I'm really doing that to stall on time, like take some time off. Guilty pleasures. Okay, this is why my tongue has been red, because I love these cherry sours. I would eat a bag a day, and that's why my tongue is red. It just stay red, okay? I brush my tongue, y'all, and it still stay red. But, you know, I'm just kind of like stalling for time. Now, the reason why I'm stalling for time is I'm just wanting my little sideburn hairs to lay down. So I'm just, you know, giving it like 5 minutes. I ain't going to take 5 minutes of y'all time, but I'm just saying. I'm just doing that. I really didn't need to do that, but I'm just going to do it anyway, okay? And, girl, I know y'all see them bracelets. They jingling, baby. Go ahead, baby. Go ahead and check out my website for these bracelets made by Muff Accessories, girls. I will put my website link down below. I have loads of bracelets. These are handcrafted, handmade bracelets by your girl April, me. So make sure you show some love and support to my website. Make sure you show some love and support to Myfirstwigs, honey, because girl, they will have you slayed to the gods, okay? Doing it like it's your B-day every day, okay? Now, I really don't like to use the wax stick too much, so I use the curling foam to tame down the flyaway hairs. Curling foam, they say it's good for curly hair, and I will be honest, it is actually. I've been using it lately on my own natural hair. I said I wouldn't, but it make my hair look thicker, y'all, my own natural hair. Now look at this. You see that comb just sliding right through? That's because I ain't got it, you know, sprayed down. But if you need to spray down a wig, girl, I'm telling you, get that 𝐏𝐫𝐞 Instant Freeze 24-hour hold, baby. Cheaper than the, what you call that stuff? Freeze Blast? You know that stuff. Oh my God, got to be, yes. But look at them edges, girl. No baby hairs, look at that part. I am slayed to the gods. Thank you, Myfirstwig. Okay. All right, you guys. So look, what I tell y'all, save the best for last, baby. Do it like it's your B-day. Okay. Look at them edges slayed. Okay. Yes, do it like it's your B-day. If you ain't never wore a wig before, girl, and you want something that's easy, good, easy breezy, lemon squeezy, take it out the box and cut the lace off and throw it on, then you best to go ahead and get you a Myfirstwig wig, girl. This wig, look, when I tell y'all I didn't do anything but press the edges a tad bit. I really didn't press them that much because I didn't need to. And plus, sometimes I just feel like if I don't press it on myself or style it on myself, like curl it, it don't never come out right. That's sometimes. But this one, look, I didn't have to bleach anything. I didn't have to pluck anything. I didn't even, look, I didn't even put the flat iron to this baby. She is nice and lengthy, okay? And she is nice and flowy. I love me some good yaki hair, honey. When it comes to like yaki or kinky, those are my favorite textures. Yaki first, then kinky. Kinky because you can make it into yaki if you know you hot press it or whatever. And curly and wavy. Wavy is third because there's sometimes when I don't like to do a darn thing. And I think like if you don't really like to do a lot, like you don't want to put no curl or heat to it, then I think yaki hair is like the best for that because yaki hair always looks bomb, just straight with no bump to it. Like, you cannot tell me that this don't look bomb with no curl pattern to it, okay? Y'all know my first wigs be coming through slaying, okay? Now listen, don't get me the line because I never would. You know what I'm saying? You got to check out My First Wigs. These are the wigs that you need in your life. You can check out their sister site, RPG Show. They got the wigs that you need in your life, too. If you want a wig that you're going to forget that you're wearing a wig and you walking around feeling real good about yourself, then, girl, get you a My First Wig, honey. This is a wig that you don't got to do nothing. And I don't really like to do much, but I always end up doing more than necessary. And there are days when I just want to chill and do nothing at all. But, you know, 4-week videos and save the best for last. Okay, so listen. Go ahead and get you a My First Wig. Okay, check the info box, the description box for the specs, the links, and all that cool stuff. Look, I told y'all, I just like to use the Marc Anthony styling foam for the edges, like, because the foam does not hold anything down but your edges. It's not sticking. It's not adhering to your skin. It's just going to lay the hairs down. Y'all see how, look, I got the comb and it goes, look, okay? These are good wigs, y'all. Make sure you get you one. Let me know what y'all think of this, okay? Stay tuned for the end of the video. You know, I'm going to pair it with something different. This is what I had on the prior video. Look, you know how you get something and you really like it, you just start buying it in all the colors? Like, that's me. If I like something when it comes to clothes, if I like something, I'm going to get it in every single color. And especially if it feels comfortable. Comfortability is the #1 key. And it'll look cute, girl. I'm getting it in every single color, especially if it is allowing me to breathe, girl, and concealing certain areas, girl, I'm getting every single color. So yes, I got this blue dress on. I got it from every single color from Shein. A girl got like about 11 of them now. They got a lot of colors, you know what I'm saying? Plus size section. It's cute and all. This got a little adjustable strap, honey. I just put on a little sports bra tank thing through it. So y'all don't see my bra, honey. Yes, baby. Do it like it's your B-day, okay? Do it like you're growing sexy, okay? Go get you some of these bracelets too, girl. Check out my website, you know, custom bling, luxury. Have them wrists blinged out by you wearing one of these My First Wigs. Girl, get you a Shein dress. I'll see y'all later. Bye.
Boy, you had me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you wrote upon me, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah. But something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're on completely different pages. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Boy, you take me on a trip, always up and down and back and forth in merry-go-round.